Where are you at? Come on, James Madison. You got to get a color paint like this. What do you feel about Joe Biden at this point?
Turn that off.
You want me to turn it off?
Yeah.
Will you answer my question if I turn it off?
No, because I just asked you to turn it off. He's a pussy.
We're just having fun out here, guys. Welcome to South Beach.
Yeah. Welcome to South Beach. What's going on? Soliaker here. And I was out with a good friend of mine, Ragomonkey. Links will be in the description. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link to the video that he did as well. And we were just having a good time out in Miami. And for those that think this is like a political thing, Tom McDonald said it best.
Both political parties are equally just as evil. They've been working for themselves, don't give a damn about the people.
I really don't care. Both sides are just evil. They don't do anything for us, and it's up to us to hold our rights true. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'm out of here. Soliaker, deuces.
Yo, quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden? Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good one, brother.
This is America. Everybody's allowed to make their own decisions.
Hey, I got a question for you. I love the hat. What do you think about Joe Biden? Nothing. What do you think of your current president right now? You don't like him? Yeah. All right. Yeah, thank you. Have a good one. Hey, ladies, quick question. How do you feel about Joe Biden? Good, bad, negative? Okay.
Guys, what do you think of Joe Biden?
Hate him. Hate him. Heard. What do you guys think about Joe Biden? Come on. Let your opinion be heard. Fuck him. Fuck him. Heard that. Quick question. How do you feel? Actually, let me stop. You are under arrest for being too sexy today. Okay? Yeah, I need you to go ahead and assume the position and all that. I'm just playing. Okay. We're out here asking people how they feel about our current president. Bad, good, however you feel. I don't.
They paid off these student loans.
Hey, let your voice be heard.
They just want the student loan money to be paid off.
Okay. Let your voice be heard. But yeah, yes, you're way too sexy.
And why is gas $7?
That's what I'm talking about.
That's all I got to say on
That's our president right now.
He has not paid off.
I'm sorry, and let your president know.
But I'm not gonna walk though, so I'm gonna pay them $7 a gallon. No, you ain't. So, yeah.
All right, thank you.
You have yourself a wonderful day. Are you the bride to be or?
I'm not. She's the bride.
Oh well, you're single. Oh, okay. Oh, come on now. Bye. Have a good day.
Guys, what do you think of Joe Biden?
Let's go, Brent.
Let's go, Brent. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, quick question.
Ladies.
What do you think of Joe Biden?
That's what I think. No comment.
Hey, fair enough. We just want your opinion. That's it.
Shirt.
You like that?
I do actually.
I make them myself.
That's dope.
You should send me an email to thearmfisherman@gmail.
Instagram?
I do have.
Perfect. Oh, you got a card. Even better.
Just send me an email and I'm gonna send you a shirt.
You're so. What's your name?
My name's Mike.
Mike.
But I go by
Savannah.
The Arm Fisherman.
The Arm Fisher. That's actually a really dope card. Savannah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure, and I love your comment.
Thank you.
We'll see you later.
Brother,
What do you think about Joe Biden?
Joe Biden.
Hey folks, how y'all? Hey, one question. What do you think about Joe Biden?
No comment.
No
Okay,
comment.
fair enough.
Take a picture.
So how y'all doing today? What do you think about Joe Biden?
Take a picture real quick.
I don't give a fuck about Joe Biden. I think he's a pussy.
Yeah, thank you very much. We just want people's opinion. We're not on either side of that fence. We just want to hear your opinion.
Repeat that.
I love it. I love it.
That is a pussy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trump is about that life.
About that life. I'm sorry to bother you. I just noticed that you look very lovely with the charm. But what are your thoughts on Joe Biden?
Joe Biden?
Correct.
All I know is he's my president right now.
Yeah. Good, bad, negative, positive.
Yeah, he's a dude.
Okay. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Enjoy it looks like your guacamole is amazing. See ya.
Guys, quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden?
What do you think, buddy? He supports Trump. I don't give a fuck, for real. I don't give a fuck about politics.
Trump. All right.
Yeah, it's okay.
What about you
We
guys?
just want to know your opinions. We're just looking.
Let's go, Brandon.
What do you think about Joe Biden? What do you think about Joe Biden? What do you think about Joe Biden? Come on now.
I'm up from here.
See.
Joe Biden can't ride that bike. Guys, quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden?
What do we think of him?
Yeah.
Yes. Positive, negative, however you want to. You tell us how you feel about Joe
How do you
Biden.
feel about Biden?
Better than Trump?
Okay.
Okay, fair enough.
All right. Thank
That's
you, guys.
awesome. Thank you.
Guys, how we
Excuse me,
doing?
how
What do you
y'all
think
doing?
of Joe Biden? What do you think of Joe Biden?
Piece of shit.
Hey, thank you for your honest answer. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.
Guys, how we doing? Quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden? Thank you.
Oh, that's the best soundbite we got all day. Rather have Trump. Hey, how y'all folks doing? Hey, a quick, real simple question. What do you think about Joe Biden? Your own honest opinion about Joe Biden. No comment? All right, have a good one.
Brother, quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden?
Hey, we're not being aggressive. It was just a question, bro.
You off camera, don't worry about it.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, just one quick question. What do you think about Joe Biden? What do you think about him? Hey.
I don't got words.
Thank you, guys.
No worries. Have a good one. How's it going, bud? A quick question. What do you think about Joe Biden?
I have no opinions on that.
All right, no problem. Have a good one, bud. Hey, we got one serious question to ask you, ladies. How do you get so sexy every day?
Confidence.
Confidence? And then the second question I have is, what do you think about Joe Biden?
I don't like him. Indifferent. I don't know.
Yeah, it's
This
okay.
bullshit that's coming
Hey.
on.
I just want to, we're just trying to figure out people's opinion on how they feel about Joe Biden. So,
I don't know
but
how
hey,
to-
stop being so sexy before I have to arrest you for being so sexy.
You're funny. You're funny. Well, we appreciate your opinion towards us.
All right, well, have a great day, ladies. We'll see ya. Guys, hey, before I stop you, one question. How do you feel about Joe Biden?
He's
Tell him to take the fucking gas prices down, though.
That's what I'm saying. You know, it takes me $80 to fill up every time. You know what I mean? So it's good to hear your opinion. Thank you. Thank you.
I think Joe Biden's doing a really good job.
Okay, fair enough.
Bojo, gotta go, no show.
Hey, ladies, how are you doing today? Hey, what are your thoughts on Joe Biden?
These are the girls of the POTUS.
No comment? That's perfectly okay. Have a great one. No problem. See ya. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, just out of curiosity, how do you feel about Joe Biden?
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. How do you feel about him?
You will put me on the spot for that.
You can say yes or no. I'm not here to say judge. I just want to hear your opinions on how you feel about Joe Biden.
I don't got no issue with it. Now, I will go back to Trump because I think Trump had, everything started going up when he got into the office, you feel me?
Yeah.
Everything needed to go back to where it was, you understand me?
Yeah, I'm not going to agree or disagree, but I want to hear your opinion. That's what this is
That's
about.
my opinion, but
Yeah.
I don't got no issue with it.
Hey,
I don't
we
have
all.
no issue with Joe Biden, but he ain't doing what he said he was.
He ain't doing what he's supposed to be doing, right? I think we all agree that he's not doing what he said he was going to do.
Right.
And I think that's why we're out here today. We're out here trying to see how people feel. You know, they hated on Trump. I don't like Trump either.
I don't like him, but I like what he did.
Yeah.
I like his work. That's it.
Yeah.
But I don't agree with some things he had going on. But other than that, Joe Biden got all of it. He didn't do the things he said he was gonna do. Everything went up.
Yeah. All right. Well, I appreciate your input and thank you. Y'all have a good one. Hey, ladies, how are you?
How are you?
Hey, what do you feel about Joe Biden at this point?
Turn that off.
You want me to turn it off?
Yeah.
Will you answer my question if I turn it off?
No, because I just asked you to turn it off.
You're out in public. You're out in public.
Walking, not asking.
You're out.
Recorded.
I know. I was asking you a question. You can answer it or not. Okay, that's okay. That's your right. No, I'm not going to turn it off. We were walking this way anyway. There we go. Okay.
What the fuck are you on? Turn around.
What do you? Don't
Stop recording us. That's weird
don't
shit.
get angry.
Then stop recording us.
Don't get angry.
What do you want? Follow your friend. Go ahead.
Can you turn around and walk with your friend?
Like go.
Don't tell me what to do. How about that? I'm a grown-ass man.
Yeah, you're acting like a fucking child.
I just asked a question. That's all I asked.
We're asking you to leave and you're still staying
I have to
here.
leave because you want me to leave? Is that how this world works? Don't be a snowflake, okay? It's okay to be a snowflake. It's perfectly okay. All I did was ask a question. Hey guys, I got a real serious question. What do you think about Joe Biden?
That's literally how they ask.
Goat. He's a goat. Heard that. Heard that.
Guys, how we doing? Quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden?
Joe Biden?
Fuck Joe Biden.
Oh, we love it. We love it. Hey, quick question. Quick question. What do you think about Joe Biden?
Fuck them all.
I heard that. Fuck them all. That's what I'm talking about. I love your attitude. Love it.
Oh, don't get me started.
Oh, go, please, please. We want to hear.
No.
We want the world to hear what you feel about Joe Biden. Come on. Come on.
He's not doing what he's supposed to do, what he promised.
There we go. See that?
I'm a Democrat.
Hey, we want to hear your opinions. That's what we want to hear. How y'all folks doing? What do you think about Joe Biden right now?
Yeah, I actually don't think about it.
Why? Dude. Dude, that's gonna be a classic soundbite right there. Did you see him fall off the bike? Thank you for your comments and appreciate it. Hey, how y'all folks doing? One question. What do you think about Joe Biden right now?
Sleepy Joe Biden.
Sleepy Joe? Yeah, Sleepy Joe. That's what I like. I love to hear it. Have a great day, folks.
What do you think of Joe Biden?
We need a new president. Just gas is high as hell.
Thank you. She said she likes Biden.
No, we were just kidding. Mama.
Oh no, it's okay. It's okay to be kidding. But what's so great about Joe Biden?
I like him better.
He's not Trump.
Not Trump.
Okay, no politics.
You just
Bye.
hate Trump. All right, all right.
No,
Thank you, guys.
Okay, have a great day, ladies. Hey, how y'all folks doing? We got a quick question. What do you think about Joe Biden?
No comment.
Come on now. You got a comment, but you just won't say it. Hey, what about your thoughts? Let's hear about your thoughts about Joe Biden.
He got Alzheimer's.
He got.
Yeah, I think he might be beyond Alzheimer's.
He don't need to run again. I mean, if he make it through this, Joe Biden. That's
If
it.
he makes it
What do
through
you think
this.
about Kamala?
Oh yeah, she's very smart black woman. You know what I'm saying? I like her. Maybe she should run. You know
Maybe.
what I'm saying?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Gentlemen, how we doing? Quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden? I don't like Joe Biden. You don't like
Joe Biden, bro. Is that TikTok?
No, YouTube.
YouTube, okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man. Have a great one.
Guys, how we doing? Quick question. What do you think of Joe Biden? He's great. Oh,
He's a great guy.
First good answer we got. Thank you.
Hey, I got a quick question. How do you feel about Joe Biden?
He said it right. Let's go, Brandon.
Let's go, Brandon. Cool, brother. Thank you for the response, and I appreciate it. Thanks. What do you think about Joe Biden?
Joe Biden, man, to be honest with you, I push it to the side when it comes towards the topic. I don't really care for him.
What's the name of your company? So people, if they want to rent your car from you, what's the name of your...
JC First Solutions.
JC First Solutions, right?
Exactly.
I'm gonna put you out there on my YouTube channel, and hopefully you get some business. I'll give you my card so you can see the video.
100%.
Hell yeah.
Man.
What do you think about Joe Biden?
No comments.
No comment? I got you, bro.
What do you think of Joe Biden?
Joe Biden?
Yeah, Joe Biden.
Fuck Joe Biden.
Fuck Joe Biden.
Fuck Joe Biden.
Let's go, Brandon, right?
Let's back up for Trump and shit. I don't know what.
Hey, it's not about Trump. Fuck Trump, too. I'm just saying fuck Joe Biden, too. You know what I mean?
Hey, I don't know, man. World peace, though.
World peace.
Freddie Krueger on the beat. Follow me.
All right.
Heard that. We'll put that on YouTube for you.
Freddie Krueger on the beat.
Hey guys, how you doing? What do you think about Joe Biden?
He a bitch.
Heard.
He a bitch. He a bitch.
Heard that. Thank you. Hey, I got a question for you. What do you think about Joe Biden? That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir.